In this video you will learn how to withdraw from CoinPayU in 2023, and also learn about Dogecoin withdrawal. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, subscribe it and press bell icon for all notification to receive my video first. If you watch this video on other social media platform, follow the page and press all notification because I keeping create such video for you. So let's begin our video. For this purpose you will need to log into your CoinPayU account. I already log in, so I click on dashboard to watch my account. Here you can see my account. You can see main account balance, purchase balance and my referrals also. Now I select the profile by clicking on it. Here you can see my wallet setting. You are seeing my Dogecoin wallet setting and payer account wallet setting. It's confirmed. Is it complete setup or not? Now I will select faucet tab, which you can see here for my withdraw. So I clicked on Dogecoin tab and it's open like this page. Go downside, little much more downside. Yes, here is Dogecoin. You can see here is swap and withdraw options. Just look on my Dogecoin account. Here is 23.296095 Dogecoins in my account. Now I copied this amount of Dogecoins to take withdraw. Now I clicked on withdraw option. It show other page look like that page. Here is my Dogecoins wallet address. And amount is written automatically. Just go downside a little and click on withdraw. It showed written message, which is a request to withdraw 23.296095 Doge to the address has been created. Are you sure to proceed? Yes, I confirmed by clicking on it. While green message show my withdrawal will be processed in 3 business days. I sure my withdrawal will become. Now you can see my withdrawal request, which I made now, and also paste history of withdrawals. So work here and earn money online. Thanks for watching. Dear friends, must subscribe the channel because I keep making such videos for you.